Introduction to Paradise. In the heart of the South Pacific, two jewels beckon travelers with their sapphire waters and emerald landscapes, French Polynesia and Bora Bora. But how do you choose between these paradisiacal destinations for the perfect island escape? Distinguishing French Polynesia and Bora Bora? French Polynesia, a mosaic of 118 islands, is a French overseas collectivity where the French Pacific franc circulates and French is spoken. Among these islands, Bora Bora shines 230 kilometers northwest of Papadi, famed for its luxury overwater bungalows and vibrant marine life. Climate considerations. Both destinations bask in a tropical climate with mild temperatures year-round. However, if you're seeking sun-drenched adventures, plan your visit outside the rainy season, which peaks from November to April, to enjoy the best of the dry season's offerings. Activities for every traveler. Whether snorkeling in the translucent waters or exploring cultural sites, both French Polynesia and Bora Bora promise unforgettable experiences. Dive into the depths to discover shipwrecks and coral reefs, or immerse yourself in Polynesian culture through dance and music. Bora Bora, in particular, caters to romance with its idyllic setting for couples, cultural richness and accommodation choices. The rich tapestry of French Polynesia's heritage unfolds in traditional festivals and historical sites. Bora Bora's laid-back vibe complements its welcoming spirit. Accommodations range from luxurious resorts in Bora Bora to more diverse options across French Polynesia, catering to every preference and pocket. Budgeting your island getaway. While both destinations are known for their exclusivity, savvy travelers can navigate the high costs. Opting for vacation rentals over five-star hotels, seeking local deals, and embracing the autonomy of self-guided tours can make your dream island holiday more accessible without compromising the allure of these South Pacific gems. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.